This brand is sold by factory authorized dealers in the USA and Canada. The XR13.4c basic heat pumps use full louvered metal panel construction to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. They have a durable appliance-grade finish as well as rust-resistant screws to keep the units looking good for many years. The units use all aluminum spine fin coils that are efficient at transferring heat and highly resistant to corrosion, but they are harder to keep clean, which can lower overall system performance. The guarantee on the units is pretty good, but it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The XR13.4h model uses a wire grill to protect the condenser coil, which is cheaper, but it does not do much to protect the coil from damage due to hail. The XL15C models are premium heat pumps with a 2-stage compressor, variable speed blower motor, and a 15C or 2 cooling efficiency with a 7.5 HSPH2 heating efficiency. They use a plastic grill to protect the condenser coil, which is cheaper and looks stylish, but it is not as good for protecting the coil as louvered panels.